Okay, today's tool is called as masterly.ai. It is masterly.ai. So this will actually help you to develop a recurring income stream. Okay, so if you're a lawyer, if you're a consultant, if you're an advisor, if you're an accountant, if you're a marketer, if you're a doctor, so typically, you can open your own subscription business for that matter. So it'll be kind of a recurring income stream, and you can build your you can get your own email list with unlimited subscriptions, which is pretty amazing, guys. And it's a marketplace for all kinds of services and community features are pretty much cool here, and you can control over what's free and what's for your paying clients for that matter. So it's you're under your total control. Okay, so you can get paid to do what you love. So you can publish your services and scale, set the prices, and invite subscribers. Build your audience on masterly.ai. Okay, you can bring them over. When you're ready, you can provide paid or free services. It's pretty amazing, guys, because top professional people have made hundreds and thousands of dollars a year. Okay, so it's pretty amazing, guys. So it's really cool because it focuses on professionals in any kind of industry: lawyers, CPAs, consultants, doctors, financial advisors, coaches, techs, teachers, and other pros, right? So you can not just start a subscription business, but get tools to engage and manage your clients' tasks, seizes deals, and more. It's pretty amazing here. You can also import your own customer list from anywhere else. Okay, you gotta save it as a VCF, which is a vcard file for that matter. So this is the most pretty amazing tool of the decade out here for starting kind of a subscription based system. Okay, if you heard of Sellify, if you have a digital product, Sellify, you can head over to Sellfy, SELLFY.com, and if you have a digital product that you want to sell, then head over to Sellfy. You can add your product, sell on social media or your website. Pretty amazing, Sellfy.com. So if you want to start off a subscription business, go to masterly.ai. If you want to actually sell your products or e-commerce digital products for that matter, okay, then head over to Sellfy.com. So that's about it. So this is a pretty cool concept out there, and definitely uh, these kind of amazing tools can help you a lot. Okay, Selfie is also pretty cool. Okay, it's really amazing. It's actually e-commerce for creators, and then you can also sell out your physical products also here. You can sell t-shirts, art, merchandise, and all the stuff, subscription products, video streaming, everything, right? So you can connect your own domain. Shopping cart is amazing, and all this stuff you can embed anywhere that you want and start selling. Cool. So we looked at two kinds of tools here. One is Masterly, one is Sellfy. One more thing that I wanted to actually talk to you about, where you can actually look at a tool called as Teespring. Okay, it's called as Teespring. It's an e-commerce platform. Okay, it's an e-commerce platform, and it's kind of a platform where you'll be able to create and sell online. Okay, so you can browse products here. Okay, and you can create. If you look at this, teespring.com. Okay, so this is pretty amazing for creating even custom based products and selling them in the market. To click at how it works, you'll understand how the entire concept works, right? To run your commerce business, they handle everything from marketing, production, fulfillment, customer service. Okay, so you create a product, you start designing a product, and collect your profits. That's it. So they will do all the order fulfillments and all this stuff, right? So once a buyer places an order, they're going to take care of order production and shipping. and it's pretty amazing, guys. So this is cool. So Teespring is for people who are creators, who are artists, and even sellers. So to create your own business for digital products, or say physical products, these three tools might help: Masterly, Sellfy, Teespring. Sell anything, anywhere, anytime that you want. Okay.